Welcome back to Biking Seafarer. So today's video is about my bike making some weird sound. So let's check that out without wasting any time. Okay, so when I start my bike in the morning, it's completely fine. There are no sound from my bike. The sound appears when it becomes hot. As you can see, there are no kind of noises right now because the engine is cold. So you can see this is now, the sound is coming now when I am giving the throttle. When I release it, the sound disappears. Okay, so you have seen what is happening with my bike. Whenever I increase the throttle, the sound disappears, and when I release the throttle, the sound reappears. I showed this to two mechanics also. One of them was not able to rectify the issue, and the other one said this is due to the air vents that is located on the petrol tank. So if anybody knows what is it, please do let me know in the comment section. And those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, Biking Seafarer. We'll be back with more videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Ride safe. Jai Hind.